Good day, I'm Theodore Henry, and this is your JIS News for Friday, April 21. Jamaica's counterterrorism mechanism has been bolstered with the signing of a Memorandum of Understanding for a National Training Initiative in Counterterrorism Management. The agreement was signed on Thursday by the Caribbean Maritime Institute, CMI, and the Ministry of National Security through its National Counterterrorism Forum.
The greatest threat to investment is security. And if Jamaica is pursuing investments internationally, the first thing you have to ensure is the safety of the people who are coming to invest. It's also important if you're seeking to use a multimodal approach to transport. Everything has to have a seamless connectivity in respect of security.
A postgraduate diploma in strategic counterterrorism management will be the first of many training courses under the MOU. 40 students who are from the Jamaica Constabulary and Defense Forces, Customs, the Financial Investigations Division, and the Passport, Immigration and Citizenship Agency are to begin the course, which starts in May. The CMI will absorb the full cost of the course for the 40 participants.
We are confident that through our joint efforts, our shared commitment, we will be able to achieve more, and we will be able to continue to develop even stronger partnerships, which I am certain will lead to new and effective initiatives in our objective of creating a future for Jamaica of shared prosperity.
There's been an 82% reduction in the number of Jamaicans denied entry to Trinidad and Tobago. The decline in figures from March 2016 to March 2017 is being attributed to an aggressive public education campaign, among other things.
I think this is a great success for the team. It has required work between the government of Jamaica and the government of Trinidad and Tobago. It has required work on behalf of by our mission in Trinidad, and it has required work by our team here that has prepared not only the brochure which you have received, but they have actively been educating people about travel within CARICOM, within the CSME, ensuring that persons can take the decisions they need to take in order to ensure that they have a positive experience when they travel.
Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade Minister Senator Kamina Johnson-Smith was speaking on Thursday at the ministry's quarterly press briefing. Local Government and Community Development Minister Desmond McKenzie says $350 million is set aside to ensure the country can respond in the event of a natural disaster. The money is contained in the National Disaster Fund, which provides funding for mitigation preparedness, rapid early response, and recovery from disasters and other major incidents.
And we'll be working to ensure, along with the Ministry of Finance, that we increase the amount that is held in reserve.
While making his sectoral presentation on Wednesday, Minister McKenzie also announced that the country's hurricane preparation and response mechanism would be reviewed. The review will include the rationalization of shelter management and operations. Meanwhile, the Japanese government is providing a $12.6 million grant to develop a national emergency communication system. The system should ensure real-time information flow between critical agencies of government and volunteers. The Black River Hospital in St. Elizabeth has been gifted with a little over 5 hectares of land. The donation was made earlier this week by Tatleen Vassell, a retired nurse who is now living overseas. Ms. Vassell says the donation was inspired by the many blessings she has received. Worth $8.6 million, the land is located in Cheltenham near Newmarket in the parish. Parish manager for the St. Elizabeth Health Services, Sean Brissett, says though the land is located some distance from the hospital, it will be factored into the healthcare facility's developmental plan. The Black River Hospital serves St. Elizabeth as well as parts of Manchester, Westmoreland and St. James. And finally, Minister of Tourism Edmund Bartlett says his ministry will continue to monitor the situation after Thursday's explosion of a boiler pump in the kitchen at Hotel Riu Reggae. The hotel's maintenance manager, Sejuru McIntosh, died in the incident, which also injured 4 members of staff. Minister Bartlett has offered condolences and says he will be working closely with the hotel to ensure that the grieving families receive the necessary support during this difficult time. The police and fire departments are continuing their investigations to determine the cause of the fire. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Theodore Henry. Thanks for watching.